to be like 11 or something. I think it's a good age. That's when it like starts and stuff. So we got our kits. So what you I don't know if I like. Should we open everything up again?
Yeah, so we did this video before, but our brother kept on bothering us and whining. Go, ah! So I thought we would a clip right here. Do you want to start over? Fine. Devin! Go in the living room
Come
now.
on, you're going to the living room.
Devin!
You're going to the living room. You want to bring that over? You want to bring this over there? You want to sit, you snack and you sit down over there? Okay, come on. Let's get a snack.
You want a yogurt? A go-gurt? Okay.
Come on, go over there to the couch or bring it to you.
So yeah, that's what I'm talking about. He will not stop bothering us non-stop. So let me just show you what we have.
So you'll need some teen pads.
And then you're gonna, like, there's some beauty lotion. It's not really in need, but it's like a thing to keep you moisturized.
Some tissues.
So the pads you're gonna need. Then this. Let me get it out.
Yeah, you'll need that.
This spray it on your pants.
You'll need some chapsticks or Kermix. I'm getting like, so you'll also need some like liners. And yeah, I have that too. The little lotion, beauty lotion. And like tissue in here. I also, one thing that she doesn't have, because I wear makeup, she doesn't really wear makeup unless she wants to. So let's have like a few like nail wipes and stuff just in case it's like a rainy day or something like I said in the other video.
So this video is made to be short, not like a big thing to talk about.
Yeah.
So, okay. So this is mine.
This is mine. Mine was eventually like a makeup bag, but I like it for this.
I don't know if Belkin's a expensive store, but this is actually a very good bag because, you know, I put something wide in here so you can see.
It stretches with it.
Yeah, you can't really see the seam at all.
If you want to get this bag, all you have to do is go to Forever 21. I got it during like Christmas time, like after Christmas, and they had like lots of 50% off sales stuff.
I don't know where I got mine, because my mom just got it for me. So I hope you like this video. Comment down below, hit thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell to hear our latest videos, and don't forget to comment to
any other videos you want us to do.
Yeah.
So yeah, put thumbs up, and like we said, bye guys. See y'all next time.